Hi. I don't know how much preamble McClain is going to give you guys about who I am before he either sends this to you or plays it in class. I honestly don't have any idea what he's going to do with this. But some kind of an introduction is in order, I'm sure. So my name is Krista Meads. I was the president of the NHS in Franklin County for like a year and a half, 5-ish or so years ago. And I'm currently a junior at UNG, working toward my bachelor's degree in digital arts. All very fancy words that mean that I kind of know what I'm talking about. I painted the mural in between the main building and the art building, the one with the dude with the hammer and the bubbles and the lava and whatever. And last year I was nominated by all the faculty and staff of the art department at my university as the best undergraduate portfolio. So, me versus my entire class, I won $500 in a solo exhibition at the university. So, there are some achievements there, and they've been recognized at the very least. So, I'm not just an idiot trying to tell you guys how to be doing things and, the possibilities that can come from a poorly recorded tutorial in somebody's bedroom with a Kakashi poster in the background. Anyway, what I usually do, and why I'm having to record these in the first place, badly, is I usually come visit McClain's classes once a year, once every 2 years, whenever he's having his drawing courses and his comprehensive courses, to help teach you guys some techniques and be another set of eyes in the classroom, and potentially frame something in a way that McClain might still be confusing you. It's always better to have 2 people if you can. And if he and I are explaining things the same way, then I'm at least rotating around the classroom with him, and people don't have to wait quite as long to see what's wrong between the thing they're trying to draw and the thing that they are looking at and why they don't match. And I usually just sit around and try and explain gradients and topology and how to actually approach some of the things that you want to be drawing. And I'm a good portion of the way through the degree already, so I can at least help explain some compositional things and some color theory things and all the elements and principles that you don't realize you need to know as well as McClain tries to teach them until you get into class and realize that some of your other classmates didn't get taught the elements and principles. So mostly what I'll be doing is talking a lot and trying to tell you guys what I've experienced in college so far as someone who's pursuing an art degree in secondary education. Telling you what materials we used, how we used them, what was expected of me, some of the theoretical stuff that my teachers have been trying to explain to me, and hopefully, with any luck, impart some degree of, not motivation, but like dedication, so that you guys can leave high school as prepared as I did, and with any luck, completely surpass what I've managed to accomplish thus far. So, fair warning, I stutter a lot, I repeat myself a lot, and the video and audio quality probably isn't going to get much better because it's going to be you and me and a 5-year-old Logitech webcam that's currently taped upside down to the top side of my desk, and a light that usually points at all of my cactuses to try and get some good lighting on the paper. It's not going to be the best, but for what it's worth, it's going to be a first-hand account from somebody who, at least McClain, knows really well, so that hopefully we can move forward from the disadvantaged place that a Franklin County art program actually is. Like, at the end of this, and throughout your journey, I want everyone in the art department, including myself, I'm going to get better doing this too, to be able to compete with the Atlanta schools who have like 3-4 art teachers and like people with specialties to teach you, not just one very lovely man trying to teach you as much as he could possibly cram in on the limited budget that Franklin County allows. we don't start in a bad place, but we don't start in a particularly advantaged place when it comes to preparing us to be a competitive artist in the industry that's only getting more and more competitive as we move forward. So anything you can glean from me and McClain, and anything that I can offer to you to make this transition a little bit easier for all of us, is going to be worth it, and is going to be worth all the stuttering that I'm going to have to do, and all the re-recording that I'm going to have to do, and that you're going to have to sit through if you choose to watch them. But anyway, we're going to do our best. I don't know what we're going to draw yet. Haven't thought that far. I'm recording this like this, so that I'm not just an anonymous voice in the background and you actually know what I look like and how disheveled my room is. So, we'll get there.